Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to get someone to unfollow you on X. So X has dedicated feature to remove a follower, but it's typically only available on the X website in your browser. So please open your preferred browsing system and search x.com. Then you have to log in to your X account. And now finally, when you're in, you have to tap your profile picture in the top left. And let's go to my profile. Now under my bio, I want to go to followers count. I tap here, and at the top I go to my followers section. Now I want to decide who I want to make unfollow me on X, and next to them, next to this user, I want to tap three-dot button and select option remove this follower. And of course you have to confirm it by tapping remove button. And after this user will be removed from your followers. And additionally, what is really nice, that this user will not be notified about that, so do not worry about this. So that's how I can get someone to unfollow you on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.